Heya, it's your girl, Booya, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, your girl will be sharing with you my everyday makeup routine. So, obviously, wala akong makeup ngayon. First time ko mag-barefaced in front of the camera and ipakita sa iyo yung raw and real me in a long time because, nga, nahihiya nga ako sa breakouts ko. Hindi talaga ako makafind ng solution sa skin problem situation ko until lately na nagpa-derma na talaga ako and binigyan ako ng prescription for my situation right now. As you can see guys, madami pa akong marks and all yan. Yung problematic side talaga ng face ko is yung left side. As you can see, grabe talaga guys yung marks. And then may mga texture dyan na parang like mga closed comedones. So, hopefully yung prescription na binigay ng derma ko, yung bagong skincare routine na binigay niya sa akin, will relieve me of my marks and my current, like, yung mga natitirang pimples ko. So, it's been a long time, you guys, since I did a tutorial for you. I'm pretty sure if nagkaka-acne breakout kayo ngayon, or you've been through this hellhole, you know what it feels like to be so embarrassed to the point na ayaw nyo lumabas ng bahay, ayaw nyo tingnan yung sarili nyo sa mirror, ayaw nyo mag-anything, you don't even want to like meet new people or just be social, even with your friends. You just want to shun your face from the world until your face heals. So, yun yung pinagdadaanan ko ngayon, guys. I just want to lock myself in a corner, my room, and never leave. Yan yung situation ko. But today, mas confident na ako than yesterday. So, I'm so excited to share with you guys my current makeup routine. And mas excited ako sa base makeup part since, of course, I'm dealing with acne marks, some like bumps on my face. Gusto ko talaga i-share sa inyo guys how I do my base makeup because, of course, since I'm dealing with acne, I want to show you guys my technique on how I cover them up na hindi siya cakey, na parang natural pa rin, diba? And seamless. Kasi yung common na ginagawa ng mga people na madaming blemishes sa face is nagpa-pile on sila ng foundation, nagpa-pile on sila ng concealer and powder to hopefully cover up everything. And yes, they do cover it successfully, but guys, it looks cakey. You don't want a cakey face. And pag cakey yung face mo, mas lalong ma-emphasize yung textures of face. So, if you are that type of person na pinapile on mo yung base makeup mo sa face mo, then this video is for you. So actually guys, nakapag-skincare na ako. So, ginamit ko yung skincare products na pinescribe ng derma sa akin. So, nakalagay siya dito. So, since nakapag-skincare na ako guys, I'm ready to apply foundation. So, yung foundation na ginagamit ko is yung Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 240. Okay, and then just shake it. And super konti lang talaga guys yung foundation na kinukuha ko. And I build it up. Ayoko kasi na madami agad. Gusto ko binibuild up ko siya. So, first, I'll apply it here sa marks ko. See that? Oh my gosh. And yung gusto ko dito sa Pro Filter Foundation is that kahit may acne ka and may texture yung skin mo parang magiging skin-like pa rin siya. Hindi siya magiging cakey, whatever. Hindi siya ganyan, guys. And pag nag-wear off na siya throughout the day, hindi siya like yung malagkit na foundation tingnan na parang cakey na ewan. Yung pag-wear off niya, parang skin-like pa rin. As in, nag-glisten, tsaka medyo nag-glow yung skin ko. Although, yes, may oil, oo. But once you powder off, nagiging fresh ulit yung face. Napaka-konti lang yung foundation na ginagamit ko because yan yung misconception ng mga tao na kapag madaming marks, kailangan mo mag-pile ng foundation. So, actually guys, hindi ganyan kasi mas makikita yung texture ng face. And sinisigurado ko talaga guys na well-blended yung foundation. So, sa mga marks na nagpipeek through, isa-spot conceal ko lang siya. Para hindi na heavy yung foundation application ko. By the way guys, hindi na ako nag-a-apply ng foundation sa forehead area ko. As in, wala talaga foundation at all. Because clear naman yung forehead ko and hindi naman yan talaga kailangan ng parang i-even out yung tone niya. I don't feel the need to apply foundation here. So, I don't. Nagko-concealer lang ako dito, like spot conceal, but other than that, wala na akong nilalagay dyan. So, speaking of spot conceal, magsa-spot conceal na tayo, guys. So, I'm gonna be using the Nars Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Macadamia. Favorite ko to ng concealer, guys, because it will really give this soft matte filter. Maganda silang combo ni Pro Filt'r foundation because si Pro Filt'r foundation, matte siya, yes, but hindi siya yung drying na kind of matte, and when you apply it, hindi siya draggy. Kasi if you have dry skin like me, you know, parang mahirap sa atin yung mga matte foundation kasi pag ina-apply natin, sobrang dry, ganyan. But yung Pro Filt'r foundation, hindi siya ganyan, guys. And pag nag-wear off siya, as in maganda. As in maganda. Parang nagme-melt lang talaga yung foundation. And kahit yung Nars Soft Matte Concealer sa face, parang it melts pretty neatly. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, yung brush ko, I'm just gonna lightly go through my blemishes. Dito rin. Diyan lang kasi yung spot ko eh. And then, dito rin. Biniblend ko lang yung edges, guys, para hindi yung buong concealer i-blend. Kasi pag yung buong spot ng concealer yung i-blend ko, nagalaw yung product, so hindi mo talaga mako-conceal ng maayos yung blemishes mo. So that's why I only blend out the edges. So after ko, guys, mag-spot conceal, I do my kilay. So yung pang-kilay ko is yung Sunnies face na LIFEBROW Grooming Gel. This is in the shade Warm Brown. So binabrush ko lang siya, guys, throughout my eyebrows. Na-review ko to, guys. So if you want to check out my review on this, the link will be here. Hindi ko na kailangan ng mga pomade or pencil. Eto na, like, goods na ako. So nakakatipid ka talaga with this product. This is only for 345, tama ba? Dito muna ako lumalagay ng product sa brow tail. And the reason why, guys, is because madami pang pigment sa applicator. So it's better to apply it sa brow tail first than sa brow head para hindi maging boxy yung brow head. Once I feel like wala na masyadong product sa applicator, that's when I proceed with the brow head. So after that, guys, I apply my blush. So yung blush na ginagamit ko is yung Sunnies face na Fluff Matte in the shade Girl Crush. So before I set my face, nag-apply muna ako ng blush. Ayoko kasi ng mga powder blush. Kasi ayoko mag-pile on ng powder sa face ko kasi, again, I have, you know, dry skin. So ayoko nagpa-pile ng powder. Yung only powder lang sa face ko, guys, is yung translucent powder ko, and ito yung ginagamit ko pang set. Aside from that, I don't use any other powders. So what I do with my Fluff Matte is I take a brush, ito yung blush brush na ginagamit ko, and then I take some product, like very lightly lang, and binabrush ko lang siya dito sa cheeks ko. Yung powder blushes, yung effect niya sa akin, guys, parang ano kasi, oops, parang pinatong na blush. So, mas bet ko yung mga ganito lang. Okay, naparami ako dito. I-blend ko lang yan. And then, we good, sis. Hindi ko ina-apply yung Fluff Matte directly sa face ko kasi napaka-pigmented ng Fluff Matte. And when it comes to blushes, guys, I like building up the pigment. Ayoko yung pak na pak agad yung pigment. Mas mahirap siya kasi pag ganyan, guys. I don't use contour powders. Hindi ako nagko-contour ng face. And then after that, guys, I set my face with the translucent powder. So ito yung translucent oil control powder ng CATHY doll. And what I do is I just get like a little bit of powder and then I'll just dust it all over my face. Tingnan nyo, guys, yung the way I apply the powder. Like very light tap lang, guys. So that was just a light application of powder. So I like it better that way. I highly suggest that you set your face with a little bit of powder lang. Don't pile your face with a lot of powder, guys, because magkakiki talaga siya, and yan talaga yung effect ng powder pag pinapile on mo siya. Sa mga guys and girls na medyo oily yung skin, I know the experience is different when it comes to powders, but ako, since I have dry skin, yung advice ko sa mga fellow ka-dry skin ko dyan na use less powders as much as possible. And then after that, I curl my lashes with the Boktoh lash curler. And then I apply my favorite mascara, which is L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Yan! So, kita nyo guys, instantly with this mascara and of course, this lash curler, kasi instantly nag-doll up yung eyes ko. And then lastly, of course, I top it all off with my lippy. So, yung go-to everyday lippy ko right now is yung lip dip ng Sunnies Face. So, yung shade na isusuotin ko ngayon is yung shade na Girl Crush. Ito yung bago nilang addition na shade sa lip dip family nila. So this is the shade Girl Crush on my lips. It's really, really nice. But actually guys, if I'm gonna be real, yung gusto kong suotin ngayon is yung shade na Fembot. Kasi yun talaga yung go-to everyday lippy ko lately. But ayan, just to show you guys kung anong itsura ng lip dip in the shade Girl Crush, eto siya. So, if gusto niyo guys makita yung review ko regarding the lip dips, the link will be here. I also did a comparison video between the Sunnies Face lip dips and the Unicorn Dream Velvet Tints. Okay, so if you want to see that video, the link will be here. So, this is my everyday makeup routine, you guys. So, ayan, napaka-light lang, diba? And napaka-fresh. No frills, no cakiness whatsoever. Again, for people who have dry skin, please minimize your use of powder. And yung face nyo talaga guys, hindi talaga siya magka-cakey as long as you don't overpile foundation, you overpile your concealer. Use as little product as possible. And if meron man kayong dark marks or acne marks like I do, guys, spot concealing is the key. Not piling on foundation. That is the key, guys, to achieving a flawless, natural makeup look. Most importantly, yung cake-free makeup look. Yan talaga yung importance sa everyday makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And if you have any makeup questions, then go ahead and hit me up on my Instagram account. Is that makeup by Booya? Again, if you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.